Okay, we're going to do this Christmas light fix. These guys are held on here with a little clip, and this one's missing it, so we're going to make one of those. We're going to borrow one that's working, but has a clip on it. And we're going to take a lid from some kind of plastic lid and trace this out, and we'll just cut that out. There we have it.
Hey, buddy. You're missing one. Oh, there's one here.
That's the one we borrowed. We'll put that one back together.